So here let us now take the seventh problem. So limit x tends to 1, x by x minus 1 minus 1 by log x. So when you substitute the value, what happens? So let me just name this particular thing as what p. You can name anything. Okay, so any variable is fine. So this p value will be, so when you substitute the x value in the particular equation, so it will become 1 divided by 1 minus 1 minus 1 divided by log 1. So as we know that it will be 1 divided by 0 minus 1 divided by log 0, log 1 value is what? 0. So 1 by 0 is what? Infinite, minus 1 by 0 again infinite. So you are getting the form what? Infinite minus infinite. The thing is that we cannot apply directly the L'Hospital's rule here. We have to first convert this particular limit into what? 0 by 0 form, then only we can apply L'Hospital's rule. So here we are going to convert it. So how to convert? See, whenever you are getting 1 by 0, 1 by 0 form, just to cross multiply since it is a fraction. So just to cross multiply. That means we are going to take the LCM. Cross multiplication in the sense how to take the LCM. Suppose 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7 is there. How to take the LCM? Here multiply and below also multiply. That means 7 2s are 2 7s are plus 3 1s are 3 into 1 divided by 3 into 7. This is nothing but a butterfly method we can call it. So this is how we can find out use whenever variables are involved. Okay. So here this is what we are going to do. So what happens, this particular p becomes, we are going to simplify this, limit x tends to 1. Now we are going to multiply, so it will be x into log x. So what we have done here, we are multiplying first this particular thing, then this particular thing, then last this into this. Simple. Minus, now minus 1 into x minus 1. This bracket is very important. Okay, so whenever minus sign is there, because minus will be having for both the x as well as minus 1, there should be a minus sign. That's why I put bracket. Then denominator part, if you see, it will be x minus 1 into what? Log x. Just multiplication of that. Now here when you substitute the limit now, then what happens? Remove the limit. So it will be 1 into log 1 minus 1 minus 1 whole divided by 1 minus 1 into log 1. Now if you observe here, log 1 value is 0, so this will become 0, and here also log 1 value is 0, 0 by 0 form. So after getting 0 by 0 form, we can go for which method? L'Hospital's rule. So here we cannot, in this form we cannot apply. We can apply only for the 0 by 0 form. Okay, so any indeterminate form is there, that has to be converted into the 0 by 0 form. So here we are going to apply L'Hospital. So what does this say? L'Hospital rule basically says whenever getting 0 by 0 form, after applying the limit, the numerator and the denominator you can separately differentiate. We have to do separate differentiation. That means numerator separately, denominator separately, not together. We cannot apply here u by v rule. Quotient rule we cannot apply. We have to just separately differentiate numerator part. So let us differentiate that. So here limit x tends to 1. So here this particular thing, x into log x, this two are function of x, so we have to go for the product rule. So product rule says x into log x means function, both are the function of x, we have to apply product rule. So product rule, what is that product rule? U into v, differentiation of that will be first function into differentiation of second plus second function as it is, that means v as it is into differentiation of first. Okay, this is what u into v rule, product rule. See here, first function x as it is into differentiation of second function, log x differentiation is what? 1 by x, then plus second function as it is, so log x as it is into differentiation of first function, x differentiation is 1. Done. Then here minus sign is there, so put minus. Then differentiation of x is what? 1, so 1 minus 1, correct? Sorry, 1 differentiation of minus 1 is 0. So this part we got. The denominator, if you observe, Again here we are having what? The two functions of x. So we are going to again apply the product rule. So we can direct, if you want you can expand and then take the product rule. Otherwise directly this is one function, this is another function, apply u into v rule. So first function as it is, so x minus 1 as it is, into differentiation of second. So 1 by x, log x differentiation is 1 by x plus second function as it is into differentiation of first. So x minus 1 differentiation, x differentiation 1, 0, then minus 1 differentiation 0. So it will be this one. So let us now write the simplified version. So p is equal to limit x tends to 1. If you want you can directly apply the limit. So here x by x, it will become 1, right? So 1 plus log x, just cancel this part, log x minus 1. So this minus 1 and plus 1 get cancelled. So you can directly write it as what? Log x divided by, here it will be x minus 1 divided by x plus log x. If you want you can take the LCM, but not required, they substitute the value of x here. So now limit you have to remove. So when I remove the limit, what happens? It will become log 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 1 plus log 1. So again it has become what? The 0 by 0 form. So what you have to do again? Again you have to apply the L'Hospital's rule. So again what it says, again you have to apply the same thing. So what I'm going to do, so we can simplify this, that will be better. So what happens here? So this particular thing we should have simplified. So anyways we'll simplify now. So limit x tends to 1. Now here take the LCM, denominator you take the LCM, it will be x. So x will go off, it will become x log x divided by x minus 1 plus this x will be get multiplied here, so x log x. I hope you understood what I have done. See, basic thing is that that log x divided by x minus 1 by x is there. So here this particular thing is the LCM, so multiply here x, whole thing becomes x LCM. This will I'll take it up, so it will become x log x divided by x minus 1 into log x into this particular thing. Okay. Now next we have to apply now L'Hospital's rule. We have to simplify it, right? So apply in the sense what we have to find the differentiation. So numerator different, denominator differently, separately we have to do. So again UV rule, first function into differentiation of second, which is 1 by x, then plus second function as it is into differentiation of first, so 1 whole divided by x minus 1 differentiation will be 1 minus 1, so 1 plus again the same thing x into 1 by x plus UV rule I am applying. Now this particular thing cancel, so you have to write it as 1, don't write 0. Simplified version will be limit x tends to 1, 1 plus log x divided by 1 plus 1 plus log x. See, this particular thing I am writing as 1 because cancellation doesn't mean that it will become 0. Remember this. 2 by 2 if we cancel it will become 1, not 0. So here now I'll remove the limit. So what happens? 1 plus log 0, sorry, log 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus log 1. So this particular thing if you see that log 1 value is 0, so it will be 1 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 0. So you are getting the value as 1 by 2, right? So we can say that this particular p value becomes what? 1 by 2. That is the answer for this particular limit.